Cook County Commissioner Dennis Deere proudly represents the 2nd District, which includes North Lawndale, one of the most diverse districts in our county. Dr. Deere has a PhD in psychology, is a licensed clinical professional counselor, a certified rehabilitation. You know something about mental health. He has a long history of community service and has worked extensively with local community organizations and employment and training, economic development, affordable housing, education. You come to the right audience. Commissioner Deere, thank you so much.
All right, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now listen, don't hold it against me. It's Sunday, so I have to say God is good.
All the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
Now we're done with church. All right. Listen, I won't be before you long. It is a delight and a privilege to be here today. Hats off to APA. Hats off to the Illinois Prescribing Association. Hats off to my friend, Senator Harmon. Let's give her another round of applause. This is about creating common sense legislation. And so I've spent a considerable part of my life working with what we call the hard-to-serve population. The population of people who typically don't get seen because of where they live, sometimes the color of their skin, etc. In Lincoln Park, you have great access to health care. There are about 5 behavioral health care clinicians per 100 people. You go to the west side of my district, guess what the statistics are? 1 per 1,000. I didn't get that wrong. 1 per 1,000. So I'm the only one on the Cook County Board with a behavioral health background. So the first thing that I did was amended our budget last year, created a $1 million fund for co-occurring disorders. First thing I did. But guess what? It's not enough. This is common sense. I was happy to hear Dr. Davis talk about those who are least fortunate, that we have to change our mindset. We oftentimes tell our patients about a paradigm shift. We have to change the way that we think about creating opportunities for access to health care. Now, people got tired of hearing me talk so much at the county board that they made me the chair of health and hospitals. Right? Can you believe it? Chair of health and hospitals and 2nd largest committee on the county board with a budget of $2.9 billion and a seat on the Cook County Health and Hospitals Board. So I'm over there making a big fuss. And you know what the big fuss is about? We need more support and funding in the area of behavioral health. That means we need more people in this prescribing psychologist program, because I won't stop until all the people on the west side and the south sides who are underserved get the service that they need. I'll end with this. One of my favorite quotes says, if you always do what you've always done, you're going to always get what you've always got. The Deerism side of that is, in order to get something that you never had, you got to do something that you never done. You're doing it right here. God bless you all.